Give me a second, Daniel. Hold on.
No problem.
Good morning, Mr. Bass.
One.
I'm bringing you out today because apparently we need to figure out what's going on and I have no idea.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
I'm here asking for a PR bond for my client. He's had his case pending since 2023 in December, December 2023. The thing that stands out from what he tells me is he came voluntarily to turn himself in to rectify this situation that's been open for a couple of years now. And so that I do want to state that he came on the bus to try to figure this out. The reason he's doing this is because he is at a point where he's trying to fix his CDL, and this keeps popping up as an open warrant.
Can't run forever, dude.
Yes, sir.
Can't run forever. You know, problem is that I'm happy to give people PR bonds. I don't want to keep anyone in jail. But when you show me that I give you a PR bond and you continually take off, how am I supposed to continue doing that? Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, as the saying goes. And this is not the first, this case is 2 years old. And you want me to give you another PR bond?
If for one, I never had one. I always made a cash bond. If I knew something about a PR bond, I would have requested it first. And I would have did what I had to do. But all times, I always use cash. I never got a PR bond in my life.
Well, I see. So it looks like a 2B was issued in July of 23.
Yes, sir.
You posted an out-of-county bond on December 1st of 23. You were supposed to show up a week later, failed to show up.
Yeah.
And then you posted another surety bond on the 10/17/24. You're supposed to be here a week later. Again, you failed to appear.
Trusting the dispatchers.
No. But that's already 2 times. And now you want me to give you a PR bond
Yeah,
on
I
the
quit the
3rd?
job now, but I don't have nothing in my way. And that was just trusting the dispatch and the job, trying to get home, and they give you unpromised lies, and they could never get me home on time. I always got here the next day after court.
So it's
Or
everybody
that
else's fault?
evening.
It's
No,
everybody else's fault?
No, sir, it's mine. I hold 100% credibility for it. That's why I turned the truck in and got on the Greyhound. I got the Greyhound yesterday morning and got here about 5 that evening.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what?
I went to 3 different locations here because they told me they want the place. So I had to find the building to turn myself in. I walked 3 blocks.
Verify they turn yourself in? Just somehow we can verify? I don't know. I mean,
You walk
I
across the street.
I don't even know how I'm supposed to verify that you turned yourself in. I mean, I'm not gonna take your word for it. I don't know you. Never met you before,
Yes, sir.
you know?
Don't have paperwork on me?
I mean, I'll ask him the clerks, but hey, Vic, is there a way to verify that he actually turned himself in as opposed to him getting arrested? You know?
Sheriffs have that information. All we know is if they bond or if they were arrested. If they bond out when they're.
I don't
Went
even
to a
know.
surrender building.
Yeah.
They had surrender on the wall.
Sebastian, tell me about the case.
Yes, Judge. I lost it. One second. The PC judge?
Sure.
On July 8th, 2023 in Harris County, Texas, officer met with the complainant witness who stated that she was at her apartment when she received a call from her boyfriend, who was the defendant. The defendant stated that he needed to grab his stuff from her apartment because he was moving back to California. The defendant showed up to the apartment and they were sitting on the stairs to talk. The defendant told the complainant witness that she needs to come to California with him. The complainant witness said she's not going to. The defendant then slapped the complainant witness's drink out of her hand. The complainant walked away from the defendant and back into the apartment. The defendant followed her. As the complainant was walking inside, defendant punched her in the mouth with a closed fist, causing pain.
Do you have the rip done? Do we know?
We've made contact with her. She doesn't want to cooperate.
Judge, so if I may, Judge, it sounds like they've tried to reach out 3 times to this witness. She's not on board, is what I would say. Therefore, he's got at least a favorable shot at trial if he wants to go that route. I would ask for a meaningful way to get him out of jail while we continue to pursue this case and try to get this
What do you do
resolved.
with yourself these days?
Man, I'm a regional truck driver. I just quit. The company called PB07 Logistics. because I want this behind me, Judge. I got off the Greyhound and I came here. I parked the truck in the trailer at like a tow yard that is like a second party to them, then which I got fully permission to do. And I got a Greyhound. Everything is in my phone. All my everything is the Greyhound ticket, everything. The jails I Googled. I walked this same block here, 3 different locations. If I wanted to run, I could have, because I had bubble guts after the first building I walked out of. I had bubble guts. I said, no, I'm not ready to do this, but I have to. And so I didn't give up until I found the right place, and that was the surrender place, like 2nd floor.
Well, Judge, I would agree with counsel that, I think we're gonna have resolution in this case fairly quickly because we do have all our evidence in. So, in a setting or two, I'm sure we'll know whether this is gonna be set for trial or what we're gonna end up doing with it. However,
Mr. Bass, it looks like you did surrender yourself. I'll reward you with a PR bond today. The only thing I'm asking you to do, I'll even give you a lawyer. All I'm asking you to do is stay in contact with him. When you stay in contact with him, when you come back to court, good things happen, When
Yes,
you
sir.
take off, nothing good happens. You know what I mean? All right, I'll give you a PR bond today, but I'm gonna tell you now, I'm not gonna give you another one. You take flight again, and I don't care what, if Jesus comes and says for you to go do something else, I don't care.
Yes, sir.
I won't give you another one.
Yes.
You understand? Just stay in contact with Ricardo, good things will happen for you.
Yes. And I can't speak one more.
Don't, just, it's better
We'll
you
talk,
don't.
we'll talk.
The only other thing I'm gonna ask you to do is don't have contact with the complaining witness in this case. Don't have any weapons. That's the only other thing I'm asking you to do.
All right.
And don't pick up any new cases.
Yes, but once it's all over, I'm gonna marry her. Like she have a kid on the
Sure
way.
that she's on board first.
Yes,
Don't
yes,
force the
mother.
situation.
Yes, mother. Yes, sir.
Sebastian, do you mind filing those conditions? Just for the time being, don't have contact with
Yes,
her.
sir.
When the case is over, just 99% of the people in custody now, because of no self-control, that they get upset and they wig out and they act without thinking, if I do this, what's gonna happen? If I say this, what's gonna happen?
Yes, sir.
Self-control. Do you understand, Mr. Bass?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. I
Thanks.
appreciate it.
Judge, I wanted to reapproach on.
He can't, don't send him down though. We need him to sign conditions, okay?